try the treadmill. Hey, meat. Meh. 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 They get it. Look at your ankles. He's like, don't get past his line.
Is he trying to hurt me?
Yes, he's trying to hurt you. You know what Father Tom also asked the kid? He's like, what does the shepherd do for his sheep? And then the kid says, he fleeces them. And so he's like trying to relate. He's like, so if it's like, what does he do? He's like, he fleeces them. This is so funny. And the kid, what is this butt end of this?